We're going to do a brief video on AAPL, Apple stock analysis. And we've got a daily chart on here for Apple with a 5-day green moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. Let's scroll back here a little bit and see what's going on. We made a high in this stock back in January of 2022 at approximately $182. We plummeted here down in March and tested the 200-day moving average while it was still in an uptrend at bottomed out at about 154ish, it looks like 150, and then rallied right back up to almost 180 and plummeted back down, went straight through the 200-day moving average after some brief flirting with it, and entered a bear market. We went down all the way to roughly 129, 130 bucks and put in a bottom down there, a very sharp, as you can see clearly, a V-shaped bottom at 129 on the 16th of June, it looks like, 2022. Then we began a tremendous rally from that price, 129, all the way up to 175. It's a great rally if you take a look at it. Complete respect for the 20-day moving day average. Went blue right through the 200-day moving average, and we had a nice, not straight, but almost straight 5-day moving average. So this was a great little, actually a great huge rally in Apple stock. So where are we today? Let's expand it out and take a look. Blue is 200-day, red is 25, is 5-day moving averages. We can clearly see that we've broken down without much resistance through the 200-day moving average, which is essentially flat. Not flat, but almost flat. So we've broken through with no support from the 200-day. We are below the 20-day, but the 20-day is not below the 200-day. The 5-day is below the 200-day. So we have some conflicting signals here clearly, and we have what looks like to be an oscillation around the 200-day moving average as the market flirts with whether or not to put the stock back up again. Now you can see we've had tremendous distribution from about November 21 to May 22. In this range, we'll call it $165. They were distributing the heck out of this stock. Then they sold it down. Now they brought it back up. So there's a lot of people in this stock. There's a lot of people that were underwater when this stock was at 129. They held on. When you get a sharp rally like this, you get some of those people panicking and they're taking their profits out of here. So a lot of stuff going on with this stock. Keep in mind, it's Apple. It's a fantastic company, a fantastic stock. So there's a lot of psychology going on in this stock that's very legitimate, even though when you look at this stock, you can see tremendous volatility through here. This is a great stock and a lot of great company. A lot of people are simply trying to manage their portfolios as best they can in what they certainly recognized as a bear market in this stock, 3 months ago. So that's what's basically going on here. From a technical perspective, we're below the 200-day moving average, but not significantly. We don't have confirmation with the 20-day yet below. So I would say that my best guess for entertainment purposes only right now is that this stock's probably going to decline a little bit further, maybe down to the 147 to 150 range by the end of this month, into September, and then we're probably going to go rally back up again to about the 165, maybe the 166, 167 level. In other words, I expect to see some oscillation around the 200-day moving average, but with not this type of huge volatility, but some oscillation back and forth until the market decides, hey, we're going to put the stock back up on a bull rally, or we're going to keep it in bear market territory. I don't expect to see a huge sell-off in this stock, but I definitely do expect to see continued volatility, but not to this magnitude that we saw here in the spring through June. So less volatility, but still oscillation going forward. I see for the next probably till November, and I see bottoms in the 140s. Say, let's just call it 145-ish, and tops probably, let's just call it 170s. And that's my best guess right now for this stock. I'm going to show you two different RBAM research analysis of it. And let's go take a look down here at the first one. RBAM Research puts out these prices Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. This is out for today, the 8th. Apple, and they have nothing. So what this algorithm is saying is it doesn't think it's a good buy today. And the stock, as I look on a different screen, the stock's down slightly today, down about 1/4%. So that's what's going on here for RBAM Research's algorithmically generated. These come out Monday through Friday before 7 a.m., 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. These are trading days. The object of doing this is for your entertainment purposes only. Buy today, close out the end of trading tomorrow or just before at a loss. Same thing for the 5 and the 20. Buy today, close out the end of 5 or 20 days at a loss if you don't take your profits sooner. So take your profits as soon as you can get them. Close out just before the end of the 1, 5, and 20-day trading day periods. If you don't get a profit, close it out at a loss. Now, that's the algorithmically generated prices. Let's go down and take a look at a beta system we've developed down here. We can find it. This is a traditional moving average system. It's a modified moving average system, and it's really good. It has a 30-day hold period. For Apple, they're saying short at 156.67, and so this has got it showing. Let me go back and check and see what happened today. 156. So we have not gotten into 156.67 yet. We're still a little bit below that, so it'd have to rally a hair for it to short it. Because you do not want to short it until it gets to that price, even if it's below there. If it's below that price, doesn't mean you go short. You wait until it gets to that price, then you short it. Of course, for entertainment purposes only, you have to do your own analysis. But this is indicating a short position might be profitable over the next 30 days. But again, all for entertainment purposes only. This is a beta system that's not currently out publicly. We just show it to you on these videos. YouTube can encourage you to come back and watch some more. The prices you saw above, all these come out every morning, and they're out every morning before 7 a.m. You can get everything that you just seen here except that beta system at rbamresearch.com. It's absolutely free, no credit card required. All out before 7 a.m. for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC for crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Everything that's out Monday through Friday right now is shorts or longs, except for stocks. And as I said, it's the 190 plus stocks right now are currently just longs. We're working on putting the beta trend following system out with the shorts in the near future. Again, rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. You can go there and get them without a credit card, absolutely free if you'd like to. And if you would like to, please click the like button. It helps us on the algorithm. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you have a great comment on how we can make these videos better, please leave that in the comment section below. We'd like to hear from you. And keep in mind, everything you've seen here, including our entry prices and all the commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You can't use it for anything other than entertainment. And you have to do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.